Hi, sweet lovers, welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today's video is all about cake ball towers. Fun, stylish, and full of flavor. Get ready to see 15 creative style you will want to try for your next celebration. The first one is classic chocolate cake ball tower. A timeless design, chocolate coated cake balls arranged in a perfect one shape or cone shape. Simple and elegant. The next is Rainbow Candy Pop Tower. Perfect for birthday and kid parties, bright, cheerful, and so full of fun to eat. The next is Pink and White Baby Shower Towers. A charming tower ideal for baby showers, gender reveals, or first birthdays. The next is Elegant Gold and White Wedding Tower. Glamorous and graceful, this is a showstopper for weddings and formal events. The next is Strawberry Drizzle Cake Ball Tower. Sweet and fruity, this one's bursting with flavor and style. The next is Tide Cake Pop Tower. Want a more structured look? Try Tide Flowers. Neat, clean, and photo worthy. The next is Glitter and Glam Cake Ball Display. Add sparkle to your dessert table with a glitter tower, perfect for glam events. The next is Cupcakes Base Cake Ball Tower. Two thread in one, cupcakes on the bottom, cake balls on the top. Cute and creative. The next is citrus themed yellow and orange tower. Bright, zesty, and perfect for summer parties or brunches event. The next is floral accent tower. Add elegance with roses, lavender, or petal, ideal for spring or garden parties. The next is holiday tree cake ball tower. Celebrate the holidays with festive, pre-made entirely of cake pops. The next is ocean inspired blue tower. Great for beach parties or under the sea themes, cool, calm, and tasty. The next is unicorn themed tower. Unicorn lovers will adore this magical and colorful cake ball display. The next is hot cocoa cake ball towers. Juicy up with this warm and chocolatey idea, perfect for winter events. Geometric marble tower. This least and last idea, trendy and modern. Marble design gives you cake balls an artistic touch. From chocolate classic to unicorn magic, cake ball towers are a fun and fabulous way to serve desserts. Which cake ball tower was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more creative ideas, and share this video to your loved one or who love baking or who love these ideas. Stay sweet only on Cakes Factory. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and must try any idea. And also tell us in the comment below which idea you like the most and want to try for your next event or birthday party. Sharing is caring, so share your love with others by baking a cake like this for your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more creative ideas. Till that, goodbye.